Whoa, whoa, you see that guy right there? He looks like someone who hits rock bottom. Well, that guy is actually me. I spent the whole night for studying, just to fall asleep behind the wheel.
Police say the man was asleep behind the wheel.
Investigators say it happened when a smart bus driver fell asleep at the wheel,
causing 5,500 traffic deaths each year.
If only there was a solution for this problem.
According to a study conducted by an independent news source in Norway, driver fatigue or drowsiness contributes to 3.9% of road accidents worldwide. Maybe it was just a long day at work or a tiring day at school. Drowsiness can affect anyone at any time. At Sentinel, my team and I have attempted to create a unique device that can prevent such accidents.
This is Sentinel. We hope this device can prevent accidents caused by drivers falling asleep while driving.
We aimed to create a device that could accurately detect the driver's physical state without affecting the driver's ability to control the vehicle and have a quick response time in order to avoid a collision. In addition to this, we wanted to make sure that the system we built was reliable, easy to manufacture, and cost-effective.
Our design works by using a camera and a machine learning algorithm to track the white space in the user's eyes and tell if they're closed. The system has a variety of outputs. Once the system notices the driver's eyes are closed, it can alert the driver by the use of alarms, vibrations, or even taking control of the car.
This system can also be built by the users themselves, as it uses inexpensive and common parts such as wires, resistors, and breadboards. Our goal is to completely eliminate accidents caused by driver fatigue, and I believe that implementing our device into everyday vehicles is a step towards that goal.
This technology has the potential to impact millions of people around the world.
Hopefully, by implementing our device, we can help drivers feel safer, confident, and a little more optimistic.